Coffee with the Editor is proudly brought to you by IRZ.
Jaco, Josh, thanks for joining me for a quick update in terms of where you guys are at.
It started in 2017 when SCAW decided to split its business into three business units. Cost Products was formed last year, and the intent of the Cost Product business was to facilitate or vehicle the sale of the foundry business to a strategic equity partner. Amsted at the stage expressed their interest, and at the last show we did indicate that they are in process of negotiating. Since last year, the deal has been concluded, and Cost Products was rebranded as Amsted Foundry Solutions SA, and we are very, very much looking forward to Amsted's involvement. They have a fantastic global presence. They offer a lot of excellence, a lot of knowledge, a lot of skills. We're quite looking forward to that transfer into a South African business.
Fantastic. So, Josh, tell me about Amsted internationally and how that relates to the South African or African environment.
We'll start off in the States where I'm from. We have a large foundry in Granite City, and then we also have multiple wheel plants across the United States. From there, in South America, we've got a location in Brazil. North of there in Sagun, Mexico, we also have a foundry there. We are a JV with a Chinese foundry also. So we've got quite a footprint across the board. We specialize in rail castings mostly. In our Brazil location, we also venture in the industrial and mining castings. So that kind of ties us in here to Union Junction, being a jobbing foundry and a rail foundry also. And then as Amsted Rail engineering goes, we bring some expertise in passive steering trucks. So we currently have a South African motion control truck system that's more of a North American style instead of the Sheffield style that we're offering here in South Africa now. So we're bringing some of our IP, some of our technology, and a lot of our knowledge and resources into this joint venture.
I think you're now back in business having had really tough conditions over the last little bit. What are the next 5-6 months looking like?
Next 5-6 months is going to be quite tough in the foundry industry. We're very fortunate that we have quite a bit of work to do for the local industry, but we're also looking at developing a few export products for Amsted as well as General Electric over the next 6 months. So it's going to be tough integrating Cost Products, the old Cost Products, into the Amsted culture and what's expected, but we're very much looking forward to it. We couldn't have asked for a better technical partner. They bring a complete package to the table.
Amalgamating Cost Products with Amsted, I mean, you mentioned a different culture. I mean, how different is that?
So Amsted has got a very open culture with employees. They really try and drive a message all the way down to the shop floor, where traditional South African companies, the message stops through mid-management. So Amsted's focus is to get the business goals and messages straight down to the shop floor so that every single employee at any given time knows exactly what's going on in the business. That's been probably the most biggest significant short-term change that we've experienced, but it's very refreshing. It's very well received by the labour unions. We have to say, since Amsted's involvement, our relationships with labour unions has drastically improved. We find it a lot easier to negotiate new shift patterns for whatever reasons, and it's been very refreshing getting used to the Amsted culture.
From a market perspective, not just in South Africa but in Africa, how are you guys feeling about this? Have you got a positive outlook, or are things still a bit tight?
Africa is still a bit rough. Funding obviously being the biggest challenge for railway operators in the African continent. And we're finding it very difficult with the Chinese that offer basically a turnkey package from finance all the way down to Merwe. So it's difficult for a rolling stock component manufacturer to enter into that market. So our primary focus is still South Africa and SADC, but it's very, very difficult at the moment for component manufacturers to get into that market without providing funding, without providing additional system sales effectively.
Global economic crisis that's been experienced, how is the international business doing?
It's doing quite well. We're coming off of a high market in the States, so it's opening up a little bit of capacity in our foundries in the States, which allows us to help develop things for South Africa. But of course, we want to use our foundry technical knowledge there to help us get off on the right foot. So bringing those resources and knowledge over to South Africa is very crucial to my role as the project integration manager. So I'm bringing, foundry expertise, I'm bringing melting expertise, I'm bringing marketing, we're bringing commercial to help train the cast products team to be more of an Amsted-like business.